Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 155PS 310 Limited Front-Wheel Drive L1 Crew Cab. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 91,293. MOT, the 11th of February 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 PS TDCI-E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts fine, runs fine. Turbo needs replacing its burning oil. Condition summary, bodywork is in very clean condition and boasts all the limited spec bumpers and trimmed smiling face. The interior has two-tone cloth seats and a leather steering wheel. With the add bonus of being a factory crew cab, this van sits up to 6 people and is incredibly spacious. The van only needs a little bit of TLC and it will be back in tip-top condition, making you money. First to see will buy. Features: cruise control, air con, parking sensors, 2 keys, electric windows.